Okay, OG Law is here. He's got this 7-foot Martin Luther King. Um, now this is a beautiful piece of work. That is a beautiful piece of work. Now, what about from the basketball? Excuse me. What about from the basketball thing right there? Yeah, that would be ideal. Oh man, look at that piece. And this brother did this by hand. He did that by hand. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. You talking about stop the violence? That's a work. That's a work of love. Yeah, you. Hey, excuse me, brother. All you need to do is say your prayers, and it's gonna work out for you, cause that is beautiful.
Does it have to be fully? So we can at least get the face? Yeah. Does that work for you? Yeah.
Yeah, whatever you can do.
Great.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, there's no place to put it up there.
No, but the basketball thing over there, that basketball thing over there.
Would y'all have any?
Are you Todd? I met you when you were with Sakari. When you
Yes, hi, good to see you.
Yeah, God bless. Yeah. Now I got Todd Bernstein over here. That's the man himself. Okay.
So, yeah, I think the only place we can put it is over there.
That would
I
be.
don't know what you were suggesting. What were you suggesting?
No, I was thinking if he could hang it from the basketball.
Oh, I see.
hoop.
But there's no way of getting up there. That's the problem.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Do you have any tape? Hot tape?
I do.
I got tape.
You got some.
You have. I
If
have
I need
the
No.
thick
tape.
tape. Yeah, he got the real tape.
Okay.
Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you.
Yeah, WURD is here. We got our table set up. And everything is groovy. The only thing is that I want to speak with Todd Bernstein in reference to not having Aramark do the food, because this is all about Martin Luther King and getting civil rights for black people, all people. But if anybody is going to make money off of providing food for this event, then I don't care if you have to get 5, 6 different chefs. I mean, Master the Law every year serves thousands at the Eid. So I know they're quite capable of handling huge crowds. And there's other chefs out there, that black chefs that handle huge crowds. So if you have to get 2 or 3 of them, but no, you can't have a multi-million-dollar white corporation come in and do the food. It has to be black owned.